All right, Miranda. All I need you to do is get me to the shop, okay? I mean, the car's fine, guys, but I have not been driving this car at all. Like, look, 15 miles to the E. Damn, I gotta put gas. The car's fine. It's not knocking. Oil level is perfect. Literally, oil just like starts dripping. But it's fine, the car's fine. I literally only have to drive about 35 minutes other than go to the bank to get some cash out and we'll put some gas down the street. But I literally have to drive 35 minutes to the shop without this car f***ing up. I mean, I don't think it will, but you never know. I am gonna be reusing my heads, so let's try not to blow up this motor on the way to the shop. It's not gonna happen, but just crossing my fingers. I'm gonna let you guys know exactly what I got from the car and exactly what we're doing and everything once we're on the way. Let me just go to the bank, get some cash, and go put some gas. Alright, y'all, let me give you the whole scoop. Let me tell you everything that we're gonna do to the Mustang. Let me just give you all the details now. The car is getting a 15 short block with ARP head studs, oil pump gears, and crank sprocket, and like all the gaskets and everything, and all the labor, everything. Pulling my motor out. I'm reusing my heads, so swapping the heads into the 15 short block, reinstalling the packs. I'm getting all of that done. Well, not today, but in the next couple of days. But I'm currently on my way to the shop now. I'm gonna be able to see my new short block. I'm so excited. I'm really like, man, this is so dope, guys. Like, it's crunch time right now. Like, I'm in a time crunch. We literally have a week before Texas 2K19. The thing with my motor happened 2 weeks ago. Well, not last weekend, but the weekend before that. That's when the whole oil problem was happening, and you know, figured my rings were going out. So I knew 2K was coming up. I couldn't be like this. I couldn't drive the car like this. I barely drove the car for the next 2 weeks. This is not the plan that I was trying to do. Like, I really wanted to build my Gen 1, but I didn't think that this is gonna happen. I really didn't. I didn't think the car was gonna get damaged within the first pull of the new setup. So yeah, guys, I have 25 minutes to get there. I just put the post on Instagram. Everybody's tripping out. It's so dope, man. Let me get to the shop and we're gonna be able to see my new short block. So I'm excited, man. I'm excited, man. Yeah, let me get to the shop. I got 25 minutes left, and you're gonna meet the guy that's doing all the work, and we're gonna see the new short block, and we're just gonna see the start of the process. So I'll catch you guys once I get there. I got the car in 6th gear. I'm cruising at like 70 miles an hour. The speed limit here is 80, so people are gonna be on my ass, but I can't really, like, I definitely can't get on it. Like, right now, oil is probably dripping out my breather. So I checked the oil level's perfect. I just need to get there in one piece. All right, let me get back to you guys once I get to the shop. All right, Miranda, from now on, we Gen 2.
It actually came a little bit more complete. I don't think the oil pans are the same from the 197. I don't know.
Okay.
We'll see.
That looks beautiful.
But this is your...
Wow.
As you can see, it's...
Wow.
It's 550
It's
short
550
block, so you know
block.
you got a Gen 2.
Yes, sir. Oh,
it's got an oil.
awesome.
You have a brand new oil pump, but it's got to come back off to do the gears.
Yes. Okay.
So it's cool.
All right.
We're waiting on your oil pump gears, but there's ARP head studs.
ARP head studs.
I got
gas.
an oil filter for you.
Okay, great.
I'll even supply oil.
Oh,
Oil and
so
coolant.
much.
I'll get all that.
Wow. Dude, this. I don't know what to say.
Stretched the head stud too. You think he stretched the head stud? Remember, 3/6 a lot is a lot on a Gen 1. It won't matter, you're putting ARPs in it now.
So we're gonna do your Paxton oil change while we have it apart.
Okay.
So it's not, I'll go next to one.
Wow, just like that, Paxton off. Look at all my stuff right here. Actually getting pretty far, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I think I'm gonna see the motor be pulled out today. I'm pretty excited to see that. Let me see, are these, this should be out for 2K, right? I've been dailying these for a long time. She is dirty. Alright, let me show you this. This is my homie's car. This is my homie Talib's S550. He just put a Paxton on it. And this guy that's doing my motor, it's right here. Check it out. Check it out. About to drop the whole motor right now. This is gonna be exciting. I've never seen anything like this. This is my car, my motor just coming out. This is so dope. Bye bye, Gen 1. Yeah.
Trying to find just the right. About an inch and then watch everything. Another inch.
That's exciting. Wow. I'm gonna my phone. That's cool. I'm